Hello everyone. Today we're going to go over this website from Auburn University, and we're going to talk about transitioning from high school classroom to the next step, whether that's college, it's a job, independent living. This is a great website for parents who are wondering, okay, my student has been in special education classes their whole life, and now what's next? So what we're going to start with, this is the Auburn Transition Leadership Institute of the College of Education through Auburn University. Right off the bat, it's warm, it's welcoming. There's a mission statement. It says the mission of the ATLI is to help youth with disabilities achieve successful integration into community life by providing continuous improvement resources to the system, practitioners, and other citizens who assist these young people with their transition to adulthood. So we can go to the institutional page. I'll click on it real fast. This is really just talking about if you want to join. How do I get involved? What do I do? What I really like about here is the research aspect. So it goes into a little bit about the research that they're doing, how they're going to help our students get into jobs or college after coming out of a special education classroom. You can contact them here. This defines what is a transition. It has ideas for employment, family involvement, which is huge. It has a lot of really good, just kind of sparking ideas. Here. So if we go back home, we can talk about, here's about their mission statement again, resources, lots of really good information to, if maybe this is your first child that's going through this transition period, where do you even start? There's a lot of information out there and it's a little overwhelming. This is a great website just to start right off the bat, get some, information to yourself, so that way when you go in for your next meeting with the teacher, you know more questions to ask and what are the right questions to ask, and really what's the best option for my child. How do I make them as involved in the community as possible?